going to today?
To Dollarama because and all the groceries I say.
Why do you like Dollarama?
Because it's my favorite store.
We're gonna show you guys what Dollarama looks like and what we bought today. But before we begin, Avery wants to show you her pretend guitar.
So I need to pick some words up for you. I wish you had seen sun. Oh, was sobbing. I see sunshine.
Avery, where do you want to go now?
I'm gonna go to the toys now.
More toys?
Dollarama.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, here's the daddy. Come on, daddy. Look at these toys.
Avery, what you got there? There's a lot of toys here. What's that? Hey, what you got there? What is that? Show Daddy. Oh, cool.
What you reading? Oh, wow. That's pretty cool.
All right, Miss Ave, why don't we show them what we bought today? Ooh, what is this? Can you show?
It's like candy.
We bought ring pop.
I love ring pops.
You love ring pop? Okay, we have another bag of goodies. Whoa! $4 for 4 of these.
What?
Was that a good deal? Okay, all right. What's this? Dad bought some chips.
Also, I bought something too.
You bought something too? What did you buy?
This is my puzzle. It's Happy Meal puzzle.
Oh, a Happy Meal puzzle. Do you like Happy Meals?
This is nuggets and fries.
Okay, what else did you buy? Avery bought her favorite chippies. What's that?
Is this my Humpty Dumpty?
Oh, we had to buy a sharpener today. Why do we need new sharpener? Because you got new what?
Pencils.
With racers. Can you show them what kind of pencils you got?
I have animals one.
Can you tell me what animals are on there?
A cow.
What does a cow say?
Moo.
This one right here.
A fox.
What does a fox say? What does a fox say?
I love that song.
Who showed you that song?
Nobita.
What's this one?
I'm funny. Boing, 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 boing.
Oh, let's flip it. What's this one? It's a
monkey.
yeah. Pandas. Do you know what pandas say? I don't really know.
I find the tiger.
What does a tiger say?
Wow!
So that is our haul from Dollarama.
So goodbye, guys. Guys, to watch it and subscribe. Want to subscribe and see you on the next video. Bye.
Hi guys.
Bye.